Guys, I'm shaking, and that only means one thing. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Well, I'm a little shaky right now, and it's a feeling I never want to lose. And we just so happen to tag out on a buck on the last day of the PA archery season. I am so grateful for this, and it we didn't get much out here in the tree stand or out in the woods hunting this archery season, but you know, I'll explain that to you when I get back down on the ground. This is actually, I think it's my second or third sit. That's about it. But we did have some buck on camera. But let me show you something. Something here. Well, we got a buck, so I'm very grateful for that. But let me turn you guys around and show you that, because he didn't even go 10. And as you can see, he's right there. First time I ever had that happen, or during archery season, where we dropped a deer practically right where he stood. I think he took like 3 or 4 steps after I shot him, and he laid down right there. Well, we're up here in the tree stand, and I'm using a 10-point crossbow, the M1. So we're gonna get things packed up here, and then we're gonna go down and take a look at this buck. But I am so excited and grateful for this to happen this year, because it was a very rough season. And if you are new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you guys stay posted when we drop videos, hunting videos, or truck related videos and things like that. And if you guys are looking for a leveling kit or a lift kit for your hunting rig or anything like that, go to skyjacker.com and use discount code wicked_Fabz10 at checkout, and you'll save an additional 10% off on your order. So I'm happy that I'm able to bring that out to you guys that are hunters that need a little bit of boost in your truck, or get a little bit lift so you guys could get further in the backcountry. But we're gonna pack things up here now, and we're gonna head down and see the buck that I got. We made it out of the tree, and when I mean that he did not even go 20 or 10, for a matter of fact, I ranged him from the top of the tree. He was probably at about maybe 10 to 13 yards when I hit him, and then when he dropped, he was at 9.5 yards. First time that ever happened. So let's go over and take a look. This is a no tracker game here, so let me I'll leave my crossbow here at the stand, so I'm just gonna, let's go over and take a look at him. There he is. Nice little basket 6-pointer. Nice. Got a little something going on here, but that's okay. But you know what? Let me get him all set up here, and then guys, I'll tell you a little bit more about the hunt and how things unfolded and things like that. Well, here he is. Finally, we got our hands on him, got him all set up for you guys to get a better look at him. And he is definitely a 6-pointer, and maybe this one right here is just about an inch, but he had something going on here. Might have been a little bit longer, but it looked like he might have broke it off when he was rubbing or something like that, or getting out of velvet. But definitely a nice buck for the last day of the PA archery season. I couldn't be pleased with this deer, and more grateful. And thank you, Lord, and my Father up above, for introducing me to this great sport. And I know he's down here, up there, smiling down on me. But like I said, it's the last day. Haven't been able to get out much, but today was the first good day that I felt good about getting out here, because we had some unforeseen things earlier in the archery season, so I wasn't able to get out here. But let me tell you about what happened here. Earlier, we seen I seen a couple bucks. I seen a 4-pointer and a spiker, which the spiker I thought was a yearling doe or a button buck until it got in close enough, and it ended up having little spikes on them about this big. Not big at all, but and I says, you know, it's the last day. I know there was a couple nice bucks running around. We had them on camera earlier in the season, but I says, you know, the last day, beggars can't be choosers, and you know, it's the difference between going home, filling your tag, and not filling your tag, and going home and filling the freezer. And that's mainly what we hunt for, is to fill the freezer, provide meat for our families and friends, and things like that. But it was a foggy morning, and the fog lifted probably about 10 o'clock. I was on the phone with Fox. Fox asked me if I was out. I says, yeah, I'm out. And I says, it's foggy. I says, the fog is supposed to lift. He says, put your head on a swivel. So I did, and no sooner than the fog lifted, the deer started moving. And I says, you know what, it's the last day of the archery season. I'm not holding out for the big one. I was grunting, put out different scents, and the only thing that came in was the small ones, so believe that they were definitely in the lockdown phase and things like that. But you know what, it doesn't matter, because I would take this one over a big one any time of the day if it presented itself again, because this is going to be good eating and provide food for the family and put meat in the freezer. And we got rifle season coming up, and we are going to be concentrating on doe during the rifle season. So this is a big strain off of me, and we got bear coming up, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it out for bear, but we're gonna try. But like I said, this is the first legal buck that came into me, and I'm just so happy to be able to harvest it and to provide for the family. And I'd like to thank, you know, you guys for following me around and following the channel and things like that with Fox's help. And he kept motivating me this archery season to actually get out here when I can, and that was, I'd like to thank him for that. Well, which reminds me, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, which I gotta talk it over with Fox yet, but we're gonna have a contest next year. And if you guys want to know more about the details of the contest, well, check out one of those sites, because we'll be posting the rules and things like that. So we might be running our own buck contest next year. So who knows? We got a lot of details to work out. This was just something we've been throwing around in the tree stands back and forth to each other and things like that. But just getting warmed up for that contest. So like I said, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell, because I'm trying to bring you guys more hunting videos. And check out the shorts that I'll be posting here on YouTube and things like that in the near future and throughout the season, and everywhere and every far few in between. Once again, thank you all for following me. Till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks, and hunting bucks is how I roll it. Wicked fast!